what's up guys, it's Asia. Welcome back to another video. This is going to be a DIY showing you how to make your own exfoliating moisturizing body bar that you can use in shower. This is basically a dupe of the Buffy body bar, which is about $13 a bar. So these are going to save you a lot of money. So you're going to need soap mold or a small bowl, some cocoa butter. You're also going to need shea butter, and you're going to need some dry ingredients that you're going to grind. So you're going to need a bullet or some type of blender to grind these things up. You're going to need some white rice. You're also going to need some almonds and some red beans or Adzuki beans, which is what I'm using. All the exfoliants are really going to help your skin glow because it's gonna improve circulation. Essential oils also help improve the look of your skin. I'll include some more information below, as well as a link to another YouTuber who talks about some essential oils in a video that I found useful. And so yeah, you're going to start by heating your butters. I used the microwave to heat mine, but you can also use a double boiler. I just used the microwave and put them in for about 20 seconds or 30 seconds each. Once they were melted, I combined the butters and I put some of my essential oils, and then I added my dry ingredients. I added equal amounts of each of the dry ingredients and just kind of mixed until I liked how thick it was. You're gonna want it pretty thick. The day that I did this was like about 90 degrees, so I wasn't sure how thick it should be because everything was just melted and it was really hot. So it was really hot outside. So once I got them how I wanted them, I would recommend making it thicker than mine. But once I got it the way I wanted it, I refrigerated it for 30 minutes, popped them out, and there you go. You can just kind of rub a little bit onto your skin. Use your hand to kind of rub and massage it in, because as you can see, if you hold it in your hand for too long, you'll start to the cocoa butters and things will start to melt onto your hand. So if you bring this into the shower on a hot day, you might lose the entire thing. So I would recommend breaking off a piece and just exfoliating and getting that glow. And as you can see, it's not oily or greasy after you towel off. Just really moisturized, glowing skin. So I hope you liked this video. I hope you tried this, and I hope you come back and let me know how it turned out. Have a good one, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.